Hello, what's up guys, GrabStuff here. So in this video series we will be building a website from scratch using Angular. We might also publish it depending on time. So let's take a look at the final product so that I get you excited. So what we have is just a very simple website, and as I mentioned earlier it was built in Angular, and I will be showing each step from scratch how I did it. So here's the hero image with some hero text, and as you scroll down you got the logo and some more text and 3 columns. Finally a nice footer. Then here on the left side you can see top left I've got the menu. I kept it simple as I said, so when I hit the play button the menu kind of scrolls from left, and this was done using Angular animations, and we will be looking at that. So I got different menu items and stuff, but so they are pretty much same. I mean, if I go to projects I got just different projects, and if I go to contact us it will show the concepts of Angular forms and what kind of forms, Angular forms we have, and etc. The you got simple 4 fields, 3 of them are mandatory, that's why the red color. We got a reCAPTCHA to make sure that we don't have bots actually just going crazy, and got the submit button. As you can see, is grayed out because I haven't filled the form out yet. So what I'm going to do is say fill it out, and then I'll say it's from some email.com. Since it's not mandatory, I'm going to leave it as is. And as I start typing message, as you can see, this is going to be a fun tutorial. The submit button turned green. I'm gonna do I'm not a robot, and we'll hit submit. Now you can see the status bar. Whoops, that there you go, that went away, but there's a status bar that was done using Angular material. We'll be seeing how to integrate that, and you get a, if the message went okay, which it did, and I got a notification on my phone, you get the success message that, hey, thanks for contacting us, we will be in touch soon. So there you go, that's your website, and I'll show you everything. You can definitely take this and work upon it and build a more whatever website you have in mind, but it'll be good enough to give you a nice starting point and how to use Angular and set it up. So with that said, let's move on to the real fun.